Hi guys! Welcome back to my 5 weeks of Halloween. This week I will be doing my Wreck This Journal series, so I will try to choose a few pages that I can do somewhat of a Halloween theme on. In my last episode I did page 51, which was tie a string to the spine of the book, swing wildly, let it hit the walls, and I had to decorate it, so I did this. I used some watercolor to paint like a brick wall, and I wanted to have it like kind of a graffiti effect. So I did some watercolor here, which was to kind of represent spray paint, and I put my name, Jelly Beans, and I made like a little mini Wreck This Journal book, stuck it on, and this was my little pumpkin with a kitten in it, which was like my tribute to Halloween. And I think it came out pretty cool. And now we can start the new pages. So the first page I'm going to do today is page 21. Scratch using a sharp object. Okay, so let's see what I can come up with. And now page 58. Do a really ugly drawing. Use ugly subject matter. Gum, poo, dead things, a badly drawn bird, mold, barf, crud. I have no words. Let's just give it a shot. Okay, the next page is page 83. Sew this page. Ha! I can't really sew straight, guys, so just putting that out there. But I will attempt it. Okay, so just a quick recap of the pages that I've done so far. The first page was 21, which was scratch using a sharp object. I took a paper clip and I made these scratches here. I didn't put packing tape over it because I wanted to feel the scratches. And then I did the Cheshire Cat from Alice in Wonderland and put the saying, "We're all mad" here. Okay, and next was page 59, which was do a really ugly drawing. So I know this is not really Halloween themed, but I figured a little gross and I don't know, maybe it could tie in. But I did the poo emoji and I did a kawaii toilet paper roll with some flies, and this one's dead, and this is my gum. And I used watercolor on this page. And then I did page 83, so this page. So I did the characters from Nightmare Before Christmas, Jack and Sally. And I just used some soft pastels in the background and some pencil crayons. And I tried my best to sew their mouths like how they are in the movie. But I thought it came out pretty cool. And the last page I'm going to do today is page 56. Compost this page, watch it deteriorate. Right, on it. Okay guys, the winner of the back to school giveaway will be posted in a few minutes, but I just want to say thank you so much for all your support so far. I appreciate each and every one of you and all your wonderful comments. I am sad there can only be one winner, but if it wasn't you, you don't have to be sad because guess what? Surprise giveaway! That's right guys, I'm giving you another chance to be that lucky subscriber and win all these cool prizes. So let's check them out. Scented gel pens in grape, blueberry, and strawberry. Poo emoji sharpener set. A cute dreamer pencil case. A holographic rainbow cloud notebook. This awesome emoji backpack clip. Papermate felt tip pens in limited Candy Pop edition. Glow in the dark Jiggly Pals. A bottle of Elmer's Clear Glue. Mechanical pencils. A unicorn eraser. And a rainbow eraser. A pack of neon gel pens. This super cute pink flamingo tape dispenser. A Shine cosmetic bag. 3 packs of washi tape. A super cool cactus notepad. Fashion style pens. A pack of ballpoint pens in rainbow colors. An egg splat ball. These are so fun to play with. a pineapple coin purse, 2 Pooh emoji squishies. You know I love squishies, guys. 2 diamond fashion pens, a burger and fries pen set, a pack of pencils, a mega jiggly pal, 3 mini holographic notebooks, a heart rainbow plush pom-pom clip, a Good Vibes kiwi pencil case, 3 packs of awesome holographic stickers, a rainbow cloud bag tag, this 250 plus stickers book. I love stickers, guys. A unicorn and rainbow 3-ring binder, two flexible 3-ring binders, 2 pocket file folders, 3 fashion notebooks, and this super cool emoji 2021 calendar. If you would like to win all of these amazing prizes, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, go ahead and like this video, and comment down below and on my Instagram giveaway post with your first name and first initial of your last name. This giveaway is international, guys, and the winner will be announced here and on Instagram on October 30th. Congratulations to the winner of my 50 back to school supplies giveaway, which will be posted on that video and on Instagram. Good luck, guys, and see you next week!